We tried some really good laksa dito sa may Arayat, Pampanga, tapos meron pa yung kasamang dumplings and noodles. Meron ding mga Portuguese dishes with rice at etong egg tart na kalasang-kalasa nung pinipilahan sa Macau at sa Hong Kong. This is Big Mama, open Tuesdays to Sundays from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Bagong lipat daw sila sa location na to sa San Agustin Norte. Yung unang store nila ay nasa Macau at ngayon dinala nila dito sa atin. They have 4 variants of laksa. In-order namin yung tatlo. The broth is warm and comforting, not too thick, not too creamy. At para sa akin, bagay pa dito lagyan ng maraming chili garlic. Beef brisket was also quite tender, saktong-sakto to sa malamig na panahon ngayon. Ito naman yung pork chop laksa. Kung gusto mo yung chicken, meron din sila nun. Make sure to eat it while it's piping hot and the noodles are cooked just right. Ito naman yung kanilang seafood laksa. So ikaw na lang bahala kung ano yung type mo. Ito naman yung Portuguese Moorish chicken rice, which is inspired by Islamic flavors. Yung salsa niya is very aromatic and goes so well with that rice, and I really love na boneless yung chicken. Ito naman yung Portuguese piri-piri chicken, which is a little bit spicy, garlicky, and herby. In fairness sa dalawang chicken dishes na to, I am pleasantly surprised. Okay din itong spicy peanut noodles with gyoza on top. Tapos ako nilagyan ko pa ng mas maraming chili. Yung contrast ng sweet and creamy peanut sauce with that chili garlic is just amazing. You can also order some gyoza on its own. Meron din naman silang pork siomai kung mas gusto mo yon. Sa drinks, meron tayong dalawang order at yung unang susubukan namin ay itong calamansi juice. Very refreshing and it's a good palate cleanser. Meron din tayong seafood fried rice at kahit ito lang yung order mo at wala nang kapares pa, sobrang okay na yan. Although kung talagang type mo, I think this would go well with their dumplings. Kung naghahanap ka naman ng snack na pwede rin good for sharing, you can have their chicken poppers with fries, and this comes with 2 dipping sauces. After nyan, syempre magde-dessert tayo. Ito yung kanilang mga egg tarts, pwede mo yung bilhin per piece or per box. The crust is flaky and crisp and the custard is very delicate and not too sweet. As in, kalasa nung mga nasa Macau. Yun nga lang, medyo mas maliit to. Sana magkaroon sila ng bigger version. Meron din sila nitong mango grass jelly. And after mabusog, syempre magkakape tayo and we're having their Macau iced coffee. Yung flavor ng kape is really good. Although I think it's a little bit on the sweeter side, pero depende na rin naman yan sa preference nyo. So sa lahat ng mga taga-Arayat, Pampanga looking to have a taste of Macau, you can check out Big Mama and see for yourselves.